Doing a little project this weekend. Going to paint the outside area of the shed. Just tossing up what to do here, but I think we're going to go Pavecoat, Nutech Pavecoat, which is a pretty good reputable brand for concrete paint or sealer. Yeah, so the first step in getting this project off is cleaning the slab. It's although it's relatively new concrete, it's had a lot of clay and mud drawn up onto it and a bit of electrical work. So yeah, trying to give that a very light acid clean and now pressure wash. So just in the middle of pressure washing, and we'll see how we go. Okay, the next job is to apply some etch, which takes a small layer of the concrete off and roughens it up a little bit so that the paint can adhere.
The next day.
Okay, day 2 and very windy. Hopefully you can hear me, but this is how the slab's turned out. It's all nice and clean, nice and dry. So yeah, ready to hopefully ready to take the first coat. Gonna give it a go. Second coat time for a mix. It was a bit hard to see in the afternoon sun, but we are done. It's come up nice. Nicer than just bare concrete. Would like the colour a little bit darker, but yeah, should be heaps easier to keep clean. Pretty happy with that. And 7-day cure, but it's well, that's touch dry already. So nice bit of gloss on it. Nice. Very happy. It seems a really good product. It's the day after now, and the paint has well, it was touch dry very quickly, but yeah, it's come up really nice. Pretty easy to apply once you follow all the guidelines, and yeah, the finish is just Mickey Mouse. So really happy with it. There's a tip if you're looking at the Nutech brochure. The shale grey anyway, yeah, quite light. So anyway, I'll leave you with that, and yeah, it's our little weekend project this weekend. It's come up fantastic. So